Hi friends, welcome to ANS Wonders, where we make learning fun and adventures magical. Let's get started!
Hi there. Today, we're going to learn about different vehicles from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go!
A is for airplane. An airplane flies high in the sky and takes us to faraway places.
B is for bicycle. A bicycle is a fun way to ride around and stay healthy. C is for car. Cars can take us wherever we want to go. D is for dump truck. A dump truck carries heavy loads and helps build things. E is for excavator. An excavator digs deep holes in the ground. F is for fire truck. A fire truck helps put out fires and keeps us safe. G is for golf cart. A golf cart helps people move around on a golf course. H is for helicopter. A helicopter flies high in the sky. I is for ice cream truck. An ice cream truck brings delicious treats to everyone.
J is for jet ski. A jet ski is a fun way to zoom across the water. K is for kayak. A kayak is a small boat you paddle in the water. L is for locomotive. A locomotive pulls trains on the tracks. M is for motorcycle. A motorcycle is a fast and fun way to travel. N is for narrowboat. A narrowboat travels slowly on canals. O is for off-road vehicle. An off-road vehicle can go where other vehicles can't. P is for police car. A police car helps keep us safe and catches bad guys. Q is for quad bike. A quad bike is a fun vehicle with 4 wheels. R is for race car. A race car is super fast and races on tracks. S is for scooter. A scooter is a fun way to ride around town. T is for tractor. A tractor helps farmers grow food. U is for unicycle. A unicycle has just 1 wheel and needs balance. V is for van. A van delivers packages to our homes. W is for wagon. A wagon can be pulled by horses or people. X is for X-ray vehicle. An X-ray vehicle helps doctors see inside our bodies. Y is for yacht. A yacht is a large, fancy boat. Z is for zeppelin. A zeppelin floats in the sky like a big balloon. Great job, everyone! Now you know all about vehicles from A to Z. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to give us likes and comments.